Good morning. Today we are off to Epcot and we're doing Food and Wine Festival. I'm really excited for this. I'm going to eat all around the world, and maybe, if we feel like it, might halfway through pop onto BoardWalk, because I really want to try the cakes in the BoardWalk cake bake shop. Can't remember exactly what it's called, but I have been eyeing up those cakes since it opened, and cake's my favourite thing, so hopefully a little sweet treat there as well. So once again there will be lots of food and lots of me eating and letting you know my thoughts on said food. We have just done Gardens of the Galaxy. I love that ride so much. That is one of my favourites. Before that we tried, we were queuing for racetracks. It was like 40 minutes. We were like 20 minutes into the queue and then it went down. Which was annoying. So we just looked at it. So we went to Guardians because that was like a 40-minute wait. So we did that instead. Now we're just heading to Soarin'. I absolutely love that ride. I really love that ride so much, and it's only a 5-minute wait. And then I think we'll start making our way around World Showcase and eating all the things. I'm getting a little bit peckish now. Didn't really break breakfast this morning. I had we're staying at All Star Movies, and I had like a loaded potato bowl thing, and it was like potato, I don't know what they're called something, with potato bite things with scrambled egg, some kind of sauce, a bit of bacon. I just wasn't feeling it. I think because I'm not a breakfast person, so having like big heavy breakfasts isn't for me. It's really hot today. It's always a little vibe in Disney. There's always something happening. Some music playing. There's always something going on. But now we're going to go to Soarin', and the next time you see me I will probably be stuffing my face with food once again. We are in Mexico and I have just ordered the tostada de carnita. No idea. But it's basically pork on a tortilla with chipotle, black beans, salsa, and some other stuff. I'll show you in a minute. No idea, but I'll let you know if it tastes good. This is what I've gone for: braised pork, fried corn tortilla. And this is what it looks like. It looks so good. That was very good. I'd say a 9 out of 10, which is a bit messy, a bit hard to eat. But I absolutely love Mexican food. So good. So happy. Now in Italy, and I am going to try the pizza, traditional Napoli street food. It looks delicious. This is what the pizza street food looks like. It looks delicious. Oh, it's heavy. Yeah. Huge fan of this.
Yeah?
Very cheesy.
Is it?
Yeah. That's what I like. Nine out of 10. That was very good. Very good indeed. Oh, what a lovely little afternoon. We after my little pizza snack, we watched The Great American Adventure. That was interesting. Then we went on Ratatouille. It was a 40-minute wait, so we single rided it because I'm not queuing 40 minutes for Ratatouille. And now we're just heading over to the BoardWalk. I really want to try the cake bake shop. We're just having a little mooch around that way. It's going the wrong way. I wondered why he stopped. Got distracted now. But yeah, just having a little stroll around here. It's very pretty. Is that the Beach and Yacht Club? That looks very beautiful. And a little nosy around there as well. Oh, they've got like a little beach. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, but I wasn't expecting the beach. Just thought it was called that. Oh, it looks so pretty. It's very peaceful around here. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to do another circuit because I like the look of it all.
Raspberry jam. Honey walnut.
Well, just at the bake shop, this cake has been really expensive. I do want to come back already because I couldn't decide between red velvet and cookie dough, and I got red velvet. So I'm going to need to come back, but we'll be coming back to Epcot anyway, so I can always run back and get the other slice. But this cake is absolutely massive. I don't think you're ready for it. Like, it's huge. And it's got glitter on it. So, let's hope it tastes as good as it looks. How's yours? Is it a good carrot cake?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's very moist.
Too moist?
No, like...
It's good. Okay. No one likes dry cake. Oh my god. It's huge. I'm happy. It's got chocolate chips in it. I don't think I've ever had a red velvet with chocolate chips in it. That is a very good bit of cake. I think this might be the best red velvet cake I've ever had. Yeah, I'm putting it out there. Best red velvet cake I've ever had. 10 out of 10. I would recommend. We've just come to Yacht Beach Club to have a little nosy. Oh my god, it's absolutely stunning. I think this is a bucket list hotel I need to stay at. Oh, it smells nice already. Oh, it smells amazing. We're now in the beach club. Had a little walk through the yacht club, now in the beach club, and what a surprise, we're in a shop. That's a cute bag. Oh, and the matching ears. Very sweet. Although I have a rule, if I haven't stayed here, I can't buy anything. Oh, I love a mug. And a water bottle. Hello, today we are in Hollywood Studios. We've just done Toy Story Mania, and before that we did, what did we do? Mickey Minnie's Runaway. Surprise, surprise, I'm eating again. So here is my lunch. Got the grilled cheese with the tomato soup dipping thing, and then Mystic Portal punch thing. I'll let you know what I think. I feel like I'm going to get this everywhere. Well, that is cheesy.
Trays half of the table as well, so that looks like it's just no.
These tables aren't big enough.
No.
Oh my gosh. Look at the cheese. Genius idea, like dipping it in tomato soup. Oh, I'm gonna try the punch. Just like a fruity little slushy. This is good. I'll say like an 8 out of 10. going to have to do this idea at home. Toasted cheese with tomato soup. Genius idea. It's giving me brain freeze. I think where I'm so hot, and that's cold.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Hollywood Studios. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Epcot International Gateway, Disney's Pop Century Resort, and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We hope you enjoyed your visit to Hollywood today. Now wave goodbye to your adoring fans below. Bye!
Oh my god, so I've literally just got on the Skyliner. I've never been on here before. Done Hollywood Studios, done quite a few rides today. I'm actually not doing this live, done Minnie and Mickey's Runaway, then we've done Slinky Dog and Rise Resistance and Slinky Dog we haven't managed to do, so we'll take that off today because obviously time's coming to an end.
In just a few moments, we will be traveling over the headwaters of the Everglades. The water that flows from the protected wetlands around Walt Disney World Resort travels all the way to the Everglades, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Gulf of Mexico.
So I'm going to watch Happily Ever After fireworks tonight. I loved it. Monday night I watched it. So I'm just popping over to Riviera Resort. It's a resort I've always wanted to visit. So I'm just popping over there now. I'm going to see about grabbing a quick dine-in dinner and then head over to Magic Kingdom.
Did you know that the entire Walt Disney World Resort is over 40 square miles? That's about the same size as the city of San Francisco and double the island of Manhattan.
No wonder why my feet hurt. Oh my god. This is like a ride in itself. I've never done this, it's pretty cool. And I've got the whole thing to myself. Lovely. The clouds look absolutely horrendous though, and it does look like it's going to trickle down. Well, this is going to be fun. I had to get off the Skyliner at Caribbean Beach and walk to Riviera, and then I said, oh, how do I get there? Just there's across the road there's a path, just follow the Skyliner. I'm in the Caribbean Beach Resort in a car park. I don't think this is getting me to the Skyliner. I think I'm lost. Oh, I should have stuck with the Polynesian. I just like going to nice hotels and just sitting in the lobby. So I thought, let's do Riviera, somewhere I've always wanted to visit. Didn't think I'd do it on that trip. And I'm very glad I actually got off the Skyliner because it looks like it has just stopped. And I would be losing. I'd be freaking out. Yeah, that's not for me. No, thank you. So yeah, I'm now just trying to find where to go. There's a bus stop though. See, that's going to accommodation. I've got no idea where I'm going. Oh, Oh, yeah, I'm going the wrong way. See, it very much looks like I'm going through accommodation. Very funny. I hope no one's stuck on the Skyliner, because that isn't moving. Oh yeah, I'm going the right way, apparently. I just feel like I'm going through people's accommodation. It feels really weird. But apparently this is the way. Anyway, let's have a little chat. So yesterday I realised, basically, I've been terrible at I've just basically been vlogging food. I can see it. Well, you probably won't see it in the distance, but it's actually a lot closer than it looks in the camera. But oh, it's beautiful. Obviously, I've heard good things about Topolino's. Anyway. Do I need to cross the bridge? No, I keep walking on this path. Oh, I love a little shop as well. I like to check out the shops, and I'm always like, oh, you can tell I'm in a DVC shop, because they've always got like snacky cookie bits, you know, like microwave pizzas and stuff that you don't get in my shop, because I don't have any cooking facilities. So yesterday, what was my favourite moment of the day was the fireworks. I don't know what it is, but a Disney firework always gets me very teary. Favourite thing I ate yesterday was the red velvet cake from the cake bake shop. Is that what it's called? I can't remember. I'm terrible at remembering things. I'm terrible at remembering what a thing is called. Now, I can tell you what someone said to me 2 weeks ago, but I can't for the life of me remember any names that I need to remember. Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful. One day I will be a DVC member. Don't know when, don't know how. Probably gonna have to win the lottery, but one day. I'd quite like to try Topolino's as well. I've heard really good things about that. So yeah, favourite thing I ate was my red velvet cake. That was the best red velvet cake I've ever had. Favourite moment of the day was Epcot fireworks, and then my favourite ride yesterday was Guardians of the Galaxy. Absolutely love that ride. And then Monday, favourite moment of the day was Happily Ever After. I just can't explain to you, I'm getting emotional already, how much I loved it. It was incredible. Favourite ride of yesterday, of Monday, was probably Peter Pan's Flight. I prefer the one in Disneyland Paris, sorry, but it was just nice to experience it, because that was the first time I'd done the one in Florida. And then favourite thing I had ate was the Cinderella's table. It was like a 3-course meal. It was absolutely stunning, so that was delightful. So that was the favourite thing I ate. So yeah, so now I'm going to get some dinner. I really need to start carrying my resort mug around, because yesterday I popped a resort, today I've popped a resort. Keep missing all these free drinks. But I am only coming here to try the quick dining, just for something different. Then I'm gonna head over to Magic Kingdom. I did buy something and I was like, oh my god, I don't have it in my hand, but I put it in my bag. I'm terrible at that. Like, I always think, oh my god, I've lost something, but I'm pretty sure it's in my bag, so it's okay, because it was blowing around in the Skyliner. So, But yeah, that was actually quite a cute little experience. Oh look, little beach. And I know, Caribbean beach, duh, which is cute. Obviously I know you can't actually go in the water. That is horrendous. But weather. So I think a storm's coming, but it's okay because I'm gonna sit inside. But yeah, Riviera looks bloody beautiful. Yeah, I'm excited to go in this resort and have a little nosy. And then we've only got Thursday, Friday and Saturday left, which is sad. I'm already like, how can I come back here? Like, I need to come back here as soon as possible, but I also keep spending money like I've won the lottery, so that's eating into a come back soon trip. But yeah, it's just, oh, I just love it so much. I did say it was built once in a lifetime kind of trip, but now I'm here and I've done it. I'm like, I need to come back straight away. So yeah, that's that really. Nice breeze. It's been, past 2 days have been so hot, like I've just been melting and I've been really struggling in the heat. And Hollywood Studios, there wasn't really, I mean, we happily queued, I think it was like 40 minutes to start Rise the Resistance, because I was like, I just need to be in aircon. Stinky Dog, we queued like 40. I'm glad we did, because I thought like there where I had a weather warning, so like we might have to shut it any minute, but there wasn't really any aircon there, so it was really hot. And then I popped in and watched The Little Mermaid. It's a new show. Absolutely loved that. So it was nice that it's an aircon, but now I'm like out in the heat, sweating again. So get me into the aircon and get me into the shop. It's got a pencil. Oh my god, wow. That is cute. Oh my god, I love it even more. I'm sorry, but this quick service is something else. I'm just sat here waiting for my, I thought my number would be called out. No, it was table service. Table service. And I ordered a margherita pizza, and it looks like the fanciest margherita pizza I've ever seen. Also, I've been given cutlery, proper cutlery, and a napkin. That's it now. That's it. I'm converted. I need to get a DVC membership. Excellent plastic cutlery. I haven't seen proper cutlery since I was at Cinderella's Table restaurant on Monday, but that was like a dine-in. Now I feel like I need to eat cutlery. I need to eat pizza with knife and fork because I'm really fancy cook dining. Obviously, if I was at home, I'd just use my hands. But no, not in a fancy. I thought it would be quick dining. I thought it would be a grab and go kind of situation, not fancy cutlery and plates and everything. So good. That is like, yeah, very good. Very, very good. 9 out of 10. Delicious. What a beautiful lobby. It smells absolutely amazing. If I could bottle this up and spray it at home, I would. Beautiful. Oh, look at it. My kind of hotel. Honestly, to stay somewhere like this would be an absolute dream. Like, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Bougie, this bus. I bet you that's my bus that I needed. But yeah, staying somewhere like this would be an absolute dream. Like, oh, obviously, I'm not going to be able to, I'm not going to have to do it because I need to be a DVC member, which that's a lot of dollar that I don't have. Yeah, it's just beautiful. It just smells nice and a bit of luxury.
Ready?
I love a little luxury hotel.
Watch out.
But yeah, I just watched the bus. I hope that wasn't a Magic Kingdom bus. I think it was as well. It was a nice, lovely little sit down and food. Just read my Kindle for a bit. Took a load off my feet, and now I'm in my favourite park. I think it's 7:30 and people are queuing for the Starlight Parade already. Madness, but my favourite park. Look how beautiful it is. It's just I'm not going to be able to film down Main Street because Main Street is. Oh no, I am. I'm going to walk down Main Street and then I'm going to pop into the shops because I have seen something I have my eye on. So I'm going to go and take a little looky look and see if it's there. Obviously I'll do a haul at the end of the trip. Oh.
No, the spring roll.
Did I buy the thing? What a silly question. Of course I bought the thing. I'm just now walking back through our resort because our hotel room is at the other end. But I had a lovely little evening after I did some shopping. Surprise, surprise. I went on It's a Small World. I had a look around the Christmas shop. I love Christmas shop and I love Christmas tree decoration. My tree is... I actually think I could fit any more Christmas decorations on my tree. But I wasn't really impressed. I wanted to get a... I wasn't impressed with the decorations. I wanted to get my best friend's little boy a Toy Story one because he's obsessed, and Toy Story is my favourite Pixar film. But they didn't have anything. His favourite's Buzz, so obviously I wanted to get Buzz. But they had like a little Buzz and a Woody on top of the nursery sign. So in the third one, is it Sunny sunny something daycare or whatever it is, with Lotso in. They had like this massive sign with like a little Woody and a little Buzz, and I was like, well, I don't want that. That's just ridiculous. I want the actual characters, not tiny characters and then a massive nursery sign. So then I went on It's a Small World, and then I did the People Mover. I absolutely love the People Mover. 5-minute wait time, but I don't get it. Don't know why more people don't love it. Anyway, I've come here to say that was the end of my day. Not sure what plans are for tomorrow. Maybe Animal Kingdom, maybe Epcot. We've done it at Hollywood Studios today. Obviously I then went to Magic Kingdom, so I think it will be Animal Kingdom. I then went to Magic Kingdom, so I think it'll be Animal Kingdom or Epcot tomorrow. Food and Wine Festival. So yeah, so tune in next week for that, for tomorrow. But I just want to say thank you so much for watching. It does mean so much that you would watch little old me. But yeah, I always get in the lift and like, so yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. It really does mean a lot. And if you like watching these vlogs, please like and subscribe. Every little helps and it means so much. And yeah, I will see you tomorrow morning. Okay, love you, bye.